but you do have to be very careful in using it or layering it or mixing it with your other skincare products. So what I do, I don't. Hey stars! If you're new here, my name is Tara, and for those of you who have been checking out my videos, you would know that passing it on is my passion. And one of the areas I do love to share is skincare. So if you guys are interested about skincare, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. For today's video, I will be doing a review on one of my favorite products. It is the Ordinary Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion. I've started using this towards the end of last year. Now, retinoids have long been considered a gold standard when it comes to anti-aging and treating acne. Although I really do not believe that there is such a product that is anti-aging, but I believe what they really mean when they say anti-aging is that the product can actually help slow down the aging process. So, anti-aging, sign me up for it. I did my research, and by the way, a reminder for you all, please do a thorough research. Apologies for any sudden noise. Please do a thorough research before applying anything on your skin, before applying anything on your face. So going back, I did my research, and truly, retinol does wonders to your skin. And I'm like, why am I only discovering this now? So, the Ordinary's Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion is one of the most recommended retinols out there. So, I got it. So in this video, I'll be sharing information about this, facts and claims, how to use it, how I use it, the application, and of course at the end, my review, feedback. Yay or nay, leave your love. If you guys are interested to know more about this product, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Before I share information about the Ordinary Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion, allow me to briefly share with you what is retinol and what are its benefits in general. Retinol is essentially a derivative of vitamin A, which is one of the body's key nutrients for boosting cell turnover. Now you might be confused, what is retinol, retinoid, retinoic acid? In a nutshell, vitamin A is a retinoid. Under it are Retin-A and retinol. Retin-A are doctor-prescribed retinoids because they are the strongest form of retinoid. Retinol is over-the-counter type of retinoid, which is gentle compared to Retin-A. Retinols can be found in serums, creams, and other beauty or skincare products. Basically, our skin regenerates every 30 days. Now, vitamin A or retinoid helps increase cell turnover for about 14 to 21 days. Now, what are the benefits of retinol? It helps clear acne, decrease oil production, unclog pores, reduce pigmentation and sunspots, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, smoothens textured skin, and helps even skin tone. Amazing benefits, right? But please do take note that it is very important to know about the retinoid that you will be using. Like, how will you be using it? How will you be layering it with your products? How often should you use it in a week? So let us dive in to the Ordinary's Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion. I got the product information in their website, and so I'll be passing it on. I'll be placing my sources link at the description box. The Ordinary's Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion uses next-generation retinoid active technologies which have been shown to achieve better reduction in signs of aging than retinol without irritation. The Ordinary's extended portfolio of retinoids includes the following formulations: While the new offerings of Granactive Retinoid in Squalene offer a very lightweight solution for better compatibility with several steps in a regimen, the existing formula continues to be a creamy, hydrating emulsion for those who prefer this format. Caution: retinoids can make the skin more sensitive to UV radiation. Sun protection is particularly important when using retinoids. This product must not be used in conjunction with other retinoids, including retinol or retinoic acid. This product is not a treatment for acne. Acne-prone skin may experience a temporary increase in acne during the first few weeks of using any form of retinoid, including those in this formulation. Note: when pregnant or breastfeeding, it is recommended to avoid any skincare products containing retinoids, such as formulations with Granactive Retinoid or retinol. Application or directions for use: apply a small amount to face in the evening as part of your skincare regimen, after water-based serums, but before heavier treatments. Do not use with other retinoid treatments. Avoid unprotected solar exposure. If irritation occurs, cease use and consult a physician. Use only as directed on unbroken skin. Keep out of reach of children. Refrigerate after opening. So you see, retinol has a lot of benefits, but you do have to be very careful in using it or layering it or mixing it with your other skincare products. So what I do, I don't. What do you mean, Tar? What do I mean? After washing my face, I just use this. So I use this 2 to 3 times a week. TTHS or TTH, Tuesdays and Thursdays. And I just apply this. I don't mix it with any other creams or serums, just to be very safe. And just to be clear, you can, okay? You can mix it with other skincare products. You can do that. But please check check the ingredients of the skincare products you want to layer it with to avoid any irritation. Whenever I use this in the evening, I am very particular in applying sunscreen the next day. Well, not that I am not particular in applying sunscreen, it's just that I am very, very, very particular in applying sunscreen whenever I use this. It is so noisy outside. We can do this, okay? So again, not at the same time, okay? You do not apply this and then apply sunscreen right after. No, you apply this in the evening and then the next day you apply sunscreen. The rest of your skincare routine, and then apply your sunscreen. Please follow the instructions. Please read the directions and do your research. Now for my review, let me start with facts, claims, and then later on my feedback. Facts: this retails at 800 pesos and I got this from the new Essentials PH on Instagram, and you get 30 ml, and this is only good for 3 months, which is, by the way, very important. Please do check the label, check the expiry date, and be very careful with fake ones. All right, I'm gonna skip the claims or benefits because I already shared that with you. So let's move forward with my feedback, likes and dislikes. Likes: so the things I like about the Ordinary Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion is that, first and foremost, its packaging. It's simple, uncomplicated, straightforward, and very easy also to apply. And of course, the quality. I love the quality. My skin did not react negatively to it. It's creamy, and it's not like heavy creamy. It is lightweight creamy. And now I understand why they say retinol is the gold standard for anti-aging, because I see the results, really. Like, my skin is extra smooth, extra fine. I hope you can see it. And so I would say I really have a good start with retinoids. I would definitely explore other brands out there and explore, I would say I have a very good start with the Ordinary products, the Ordinary brand, and so I would definitely explore their other products. For the availability, again, I got mine through the New Essentials PH. They are legit. I usually buy my products also in Beauty MNL or in Lazada, but at that time, this product was out of stock in Beauty MNL, and there is no like official or like a flagship store of The Ordinary in Lazada. So I got it there, the New Essentials PH. For my dislikes, number one, it doesn't have a pleasant smell. Well, it's not stinky, okay? But yeah, it doesn't have a pleasant smell. Second is that it's only good for 3 months. I've only used this much and it is about to expire this month. So I wish they would have like a smaller bottle. And we only use it for like 2 to, let's say some use it 4 times maximum a week. So I don't think you would, finish the entire bottle for 3 months, really. So it's such a waste. But other than that, I super duper love it. I would definitely repurchase the Ordinary's Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion. But again, I would love to explore other brands as well. But definitely, this is one of my favorite skincare products. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it does, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. Also, if you have any questions or recommendations, please feel free to drop a comment down below. See you in the next one, stars. Bye!